Hi everyone, welcome to English with Aga. This video is about the zero conditional and the first conditional in English. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. Okay, let's get started. Let's look at two sentences. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If it rains, the ground will get wet. These are both correct, but the meaning is different. The first one is the zero conditional. The second one is the first conditional. But what is the difference between them? So in the first sentence, if it rains, the ground gets wet, this means always. It always happens that way. It's a general, universal truth. It means that whenever it rains, the result is the ground gets wet. But when you look at the second sentence, if it rains, the ground will get wet. This sentence is about a specific situation in the future. For example, if it rains this afternoon, the ground will get wet. So this is something that might actually happen in the future. It's not a general truth. So the ground will get wet as a result of a specific situation, the rain. Let's look at another example. Again, two sentences which mean very different things. If I'm tired, I drink coffee. If I'm tired, I will drink coffee. The first sentence is the zero conditional. Again, this is something that always happens. It's a habitual action. Every time I get tired, I drink coffee. The second sentence, on the other hand, is in the first conditional. It is again about a possible situation in the future. So at some point in the future, for example, later today, if I get tired, then I will drink coffee. This will be my response to the situation. And another example, if you mix red and blue paint, you get purple. This happens every time. It's a general rule. It is always true. It's a fact. If you mix red and blue paint, you will get purple. This is also a correct sentence, but it is about a specific situation. So maybe we're doing some painting right now, and I'm talking about what might happen in the future, in 10 minutes. If you mix these colors together, you will get purple. If you do it in 10 minutes or in the next hour. So how do you make sentences using the zero conditional and the first conditional in English? The zero conditional, the two parts of the sentence are in the present simple. So if I'm tired, I drink coffee. I'm tired, that's the present simple, and I drink coffee is also the present simple. If the subject of the sentence is my friend, so the third person, it also is the present simple. If my friend gets tired, he drinks coffee. So you just have to remember the S at the end of drink. In the first conditional, the first part of the sentence, the condition, is in the present simple. But then the result is in the future simple. If I get tired, I will drink coffee. So I get tired is the present simple, and I will drink coffee is the future simple. So the future simple is just will and the basic version of the verb. And it's the same if it's I or you or he or they. If my friend gets tired, he will drink coffee. Now let's do a practice exercise. Tell me, are these sentences correct or incorrect? If I will eat too much, I will get sick. Is it correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. We can't have if and will. We need the present simple there. So if I eat too much, I will get sick. It's the first conditional. So it's a possible situation in the future. At the party this afternoon, if I eat too much, I will get sick. I'm talking about a possible situation in the future. Number 2, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. Is it correct or incorrect? It is correct. And again, it's the first conditional. So this is the condition. You have to study hard. If you do it, this thing will happen. You will pass the exam. So maybe your exam is next month or next year. So we're talking about a possible situation in the future. If I get tired later today, I take a nap. Correct or incorrect? This is incorrect. I'm talking about later today. So a possible situation in the future. And that's why I need the first conditional. So I need the future simple in the second part of the sentence. If I get tired later today, I will take a nap. If you touch fire, you get burned. Correct or incorrect? Correct. This sentence is the zero conditional and it's about something that is always true. So every time you touch fire, you get burned. It's just a universal truth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!